Look what kind of poor guys. Ground squirrels. It's fat one. You're not scared of me? Run away. Okay guys, I'm going to place. Looking a beauty. You see how much rocks everywhere? Was big operation to pan the gold long time ago. And now it's like everybody stop panning for gold. It's too heavy, too expensive, it's too little. Okay. Long time Chinese people was panning for gold in this place. Look how much rocks they move it. All those piles of rocks, they move with the hands and pan the gold. Look everywhere. My gosh, how much work they did it. Imagine piles and piles of rocks. You need to move it to get that little piece of gold. Oh my goodness. The river water looks like dirty of all this water. Washed debris and everything. Wow. Today no rain. Feels full of snow. The river is high now. Wind. It's already deep. Here it's like 5 feet easy. Oh, if you want to pan for gold, there's plenty of space, plenty of rocks to move. Yeah, I see the waterfalls. I go there to see. Wow. That way, new gold coming to our river. All this water is from the hills. Okay, the old gold is washed to the river, and the river brings all this gold to Kern River. Try to go that way. That way we have gold in the river. Windy today. Can you see the quartz? That is a quartz. And here is a gold too. Need to go and check it. This is a quartz, guys. Needs to get some samples. Long time ago, river was going over here, and now it's over there. And here the gold was washed. If there was the people looking for gold, I see the big opening next to the quartz. You see they dig a pan of salt sands over here. Look, this is all dig by hands. But I'm looking for gold in the quartz, so I need to get rocks. Okay, get some samples. I'm on the edge. 50 feet down. I can swim here. Oh my goodness. Okay, how I can go down now? How I can go down? Maybe I try past this, but I can't film it. This old man is crazy. Oh my goodness. See the gold? You can't live without it. I'm going to check this quartz. Okay. You know what? There's potential. Maybe it's have a gold. Okay, this is potential quartz vein. You see the lines? You know, if I take a sample, I'll be taking sample over here. You see the brown stuff? This one. And this side, there is the lines, but didn't see nothing. But over here, I see the brown. See? So I need to bring my tools to chip it that rock. I can collect some samples right now to do the test. Let's go. See the no brown, empty rock, no point even taking. This is something else. And this is, I'm not first one who checking this place. Okay guys, it's a lot of our guys looking for gold. Okay, so I need to bring my tools and chip this part. Not on the right side, but on the left side, or here. If I be taking this one. And this is, looks like big wave next to the river. Just a few minutes ago I was so I taking those few samples. I don't need a lot right now. If I found at least some kind of little gold piece, I'll be coming back. I'll be back. Like Schwarzenegger say. I'll be back for you. Oh, what are you looking for? You see? Everything else is nothing. Here. I'm taking just samples to the potential. And at home, we check it out. Ah, this brown stuff too. Okay, I'll be back. For you, I'll be back. I need to get a good tools, and they going under. So here can be potential for the gold. Okay, guys. You see rust? Looks like this light brown. It's a rust. And when you see gold flutes going, you see thick layer, not very thick, but not like a rust. Rust is very tiny. Gold is, well, this is big vein, guys. Okay, you see, that way we're finding new places, because in summertime you can't even walk here. It's so hot. Right now it's perfect weather to find something, to find some veins, to find some gold, and then you already have everything. You can come, you just grab it. Okay, so I got some samples to do the test, and then need to get sledgehammer, chisels, and come back and break it a little bit more, you know, if I found something. See, this is all time was river going, and here all bedrock. So here you can get some dirt and pan it. I guarantee you found some gold. Okay. Wow. So where I need to go? Maybe past that way. Let's see what kind of rocks everywhere. Rocks. And no single person on this place. Just me and nature. I like it. I love it. A lot of trash, guys. Can you go to the hills and something? Don't throw the trash, the bottles, the trash, papers. Oh my gosh, take that papers and trash with you. You don't need to see these things. Okay, let's go up. Quartz everywhere, you see? This is a quartz. But I don't take it here. It's too dangerous. Quartz veins sitting on the